Good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to make a quick to the point video here, just kind of going over mirror and patterning. A couple of you guys on Facebook have messaged me directly. Some of you asking for files if I want to sell them. I don't sell files. It's never my intention to selling files. It's also not the intent of the group to have people sell files or any design work, but I'd rather do one better here and just kind of show you a quick how-to of, just how to utilize those features to make items like fixtures, fixture tables, and that sort of thing. So I'm going to use a simple 4x4 here just to demonstrate. And what I like to do for reference lines is I like to use construction lines here. So let's just measure an inch off and an inch off. And that's going to give us the reference for our first hole. So 0.625. And now what we can do is take this. This is the object we're going to pattern. So again, I just chose the pattern option. And since we want a total of 2 with a 2-inch distance from center to center, we'll choose that. And we also want 2. However, we're going in a negative y direction, so we're going to do -2, hit enter. So that quickly, we just patterned out our circle here with a 2-inch distance. You can see here from center to center, as well as top to bottom, 2-inch distance. So we already have our whole layout there. Next part is I'm just going to do a quick tab and slot. One thing that I like to do is, here, let's just go based on the thickness of the metal, right? Let's make this slot, or this, let's make this slot like 0.8, right? Alright, let's use trim all this. We don't use reference lines anymore. And use the trim feature, circle. Let's add this right here. Okay, so let's go halfway down. Now we'll go all the way up, who cares? Use these as reference lines here. And let's go ahead and copy this over. So we shall mirror this, utilizing this line here. Click OK. Now we can actually take these items, minus that line and minus that line. But we can take these items in here, mirror them downwards using this line. And let's remove these constraints here. Let's remove these dimensions. Trim this, and this, and this. And that quickly, we have used both the pattern as well as the mirror feature. So you can see just how quickly this is to simply just draw one item, pattern it out, and same thing with something as intricate or complicated as this, and simply mirror it out over and over. So I hope you guys find this useful, and if you guys have any more questions or like to see other videos, just feel free to post on this video on YouTube or post on the Facebook group. Thanks so much.